My name's Tim McMahon. I'm the Activities Director here in the Helena Public Schools. Really, it was a combination of maintenance that had to be done to this facility. The lights were part of a bigger project, but our lights were beginning to fail. They were 1970s, 1980s lights, and we just couldn't get parts for them anymore.
Mike Brandt, Senior Electrical Engineer with Morrison-Maierle here in Helena, Montana. The previous system had measured lighting levels of about 19.4 foot candles on the playing surface. The new system is calculated to be at around 35 on an average, which falls in line with the size of stadium. This will seat capacity-wise for high school football games. In the south side of the stadium and on the east is directly adjacent to neighborhoods. So there was a major concern about the amount of light spill into those neighborhoods. On a typical game night, it was pretty bright all around in the neighborhood. So one of the bigger concerns was to cut down that amount of light spill. So glare shields on the fixtures and light where you need light.
Honestly, the thing I'm most excited about is you hit on and the lights come on. I don't have to wait 20 minutes for them to heat up. It's just they're instantly on. Some of the other pieces are great, the ability to highlight an end zone or a sideline, or after a touchdown turn on the dazzle piece or whatever. But the biggest thing is the lights on and off and just the amount of light they throw.